In today's video, I am going to teach you how to generate Google Docs from Google Sheets. To get started, open your web browser and go to Zapier. Once you are signed in, you should land on the main home area of your Zapier account. This is where you can manage your automations, create new workflows, and monitor anything you have already built. If you are in a different area of the site, take a moment to navigate back to the home screen so you can follow along closely. Next, find and select the section labeled Automated Workflows. This area is where Zapier organizes automations that connect different apps like Google Sheets and Google Docs. Clicking Automated Workflows brings you to a page where you can browse existing workflows, search for one you want, or start building something new. If you have a lot of items in your account, this page is also helpful because it keeps everything centralized and easier to locate. Once you are in Automated Workflows, move to the search field and type the word highlight. As you type, Zapier will filter results and narrow what you see, which helps you quickly locate the workflow, template, or automation you are trying to use. Go slowly and check that the term is spelled correctly, because even small typos can prevent the right result from appearing. If results begin updating while you are typing, that is normal, and it is a good sign that the search filter is working. After you enter highlight and you see the option you need, click Start Building. This is the action that launches the workflow editor, where you will begin setting up the automation that generates Google Docs based on information coming from Google Sheets. When you click Start Building, Zapier may open a new editor view. Give it a moment to load fully before you continue, especially if your connection is slow or your browser has many tabs open. At this point, you are in the right place to begin building the automation, and you have successfully navigated through Zapier to start the setup process. That covers everything you need to know.